In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to set up any controller that you have from any brand if you own One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 on Steam. All that you have to do once you buy the game through Steam, because as you can see, it has full controller support listed, is first go to your library and find the game. As you can notice, I don't actually own One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 at the moment, so I'm going to use Nier as an example of the process. Select One Piece from your library, and with a controller connected to your PC, click this little Manage icon at the right side of One Piece and go into the Properties. Inside of the Properties for the game, go into the Controller option, and in here, enable Steam input for all kinds of controllers. You can also click Controller General Settings to double check if Steam input is enabled for all kinds of controllers. Now, as long as your controller is being detected by your computer, you will have access to this little gamepad icon that you can click to customize your controller. You can select the official layout made by the game or browse through community layouts for the game. Once you have a layout active and Steam input is enabled for all kinds of controllers, you will be able to run the game through Steam and everything will be set up instantly, natively for you. You can select Edit Layout and manually change everything about your controller, assign specific actions and buttons, and customize it to your own liking. But as long as you have a controller connected to your PC being detected with Steam input enabled, when you run One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 through Steam, everything will be properly set up for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to play One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.